Hi, in front of me is SOYES S10 Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now tap on security, click screen lock and pick one of the options. Swipe pattern pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it, draw my pattern, click continue, draw it again and tap confirm. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Pick one of the options and when you're done, click done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!